Hello student, welcome back to Medicap's learning series. My name is Rekha Jain. I am Dr. Rekha Jain, Professor and Department of Mathematics in Medicap's University. Today we are going to discuss Cramer's rule. Definition and purpose. Cramer's rules is basically used for solving system of linear equation using determinants method. Cramer is the name of a mathematician. In that honor, since he has developed this, and in that honor we say it is Cramer's rule. So Cramer's rule में basically जो coefficient matrix होता है वो square होना चाहिए and it should be non singular. Square means row and column जो है वो same होने चाहिए numbers में, and non singular means determinant of coefficient matrix should not be equal to 0. So let us have a general definition for Cramer's rule. How do we apply? If we have a matrix equation, we have a system Ax equal to B, and how do we find out? Xi is equal to determinant of Ai upon determinant of A. A is a coefficient matrix and I varies from 1 to n. So let us have some 3 cross 3 equation, and by which I will let you know how to develop this formula. So let's have, this is a system of equation 3 cross 3, x, y, z are the variables, a1, b1, c1 are the coefficient of x, y and z respectively, and d1, d2, d3 are the constant. Similarly, a2, b2, c2 and a3, b3, c3 are the coefficient of this x, y and z. So now first we have to calculate del. So for this equation we are going to calculate del. So del is a coefficient matrix. For coefficient matrix, as I have told you, the coefficient of x is a1, the coefficient of second equation x is a2, and the coefficient of x in third equation is a3. So a1, a2 and a3 are the coefficient of x. Then we will see the coefficient of y in all three equations. They are b1, b2 and b3. Similarly, if we look at coefficient of z, then it is a1, c1, c2 and c3. So this is a coefficient matrix a1, a2, a3, b1, b2, b3 and c1, c2, c3. We can solve this 3 cross 3 determinant. Now, another determinant we are going to have is del x. Sometimes they also write dx. Both the notations are in fashion. You may use any one. Now, how to remember it also I will let you know. Suppose dx we have to write down. So, x वाला ही हम इसमें नहीं लिखेंगे. Okay. So, leave this column and write down this coefficient matrix b1, b2, b3 and c1, c2, c3. Okay. Now, since it is of x, we will not write down a1, a2, a3. We will write down d1, d2, d3 here. So d1, d2 and d3 here. So del x is d1, d2, d3, b1, b2, b3 and c1, c2, c3. In the same fashion, we have to find out delta of y. So as I have told you, if it is written y, so don't write y column from the coefficient matrix. Write down rest of the column like a1, a2, a3. Leave this column c1, c2, c3. And what will come here? Again this d1, d2 and d3 we will replace here. d1, d2 and d3. So x and y, and now z. We have to find out del z. So for del z also we are here del z. So del z, again we have to find the matrix determinant, and in this determinant, as I have told you, if it is z is written here, हम जो z वाला column है वो नहीं लिखेंगे, और coefficient कैसे लिखेंगे? a1, a2 and a3, b1, b2 and b3. Instead of c1, c2, c3 in the coefficient matrix, we will write down d1, d2 and d3. So here we have calculated del x, del y, del z and del. Now, the main motto is to find the value of variables. So x will be simply equal to del x upon del. Y will be equal to del y is equal to del y upon del and z will be equal to del z upon del. So this we have to remember. What is del x, what is del y and del z, and you will get x, y and z. This will be numeric value because this is determinant. So let us have an example on it. We are taking first the example on two variables. It is two variable x and y solved by Cramer's rule. So whenever you have to find out the solution of an equation, means you want to have the value of the variables. So x and y are the variables. Solution means we have to find out the value of x and y. So let us solve this system. Since it is 2 cross 2 system, Ax equal to b, we have a matrix equation here, and the delta, we have to find out the delta. So here we are going to have a coefficient determinant. This is 2, 3, 3, 4. This is a coefficient matrix. X coefficient of x 2, 3, coefficient of y 3, 4 we have written here. So we have this. We can solve this. 4 2 ja 8 and 3 3 ja 9. So we have -1 as our del. Now next, what we have to calculate? We have to calculate del x and del y. So for again del x, first write down the coefficient matrix, this coefficients of this 3 and 4. As we have x, so instead of this we will write down constant 8 and 11. This is del x. So let us solve this also. 8 4 ja 32 and 11 minus 11 into 3 33. So this comes out to -1, and then we have to solve again, and again we have to calculate del y. So del y will be equal to 2 3, and on the place of y we will write down 8 and 11. So we'll solve this. 11 2 ja 22 minus 8 3 ja 24, and it comes out to be -2. So we have calculated del, we have calculated del x, and we have calculated del y. Now what we have to do, we have to find out x and y. So for x and y, here we have x is equal to del x upon x. So अभी हमने calculate किया है, del x is -1, del is also -1. So -1 बहुत सारे बच्चे क्या करते हैं, -1 से -1 कैंसिल और 0, ऐसा नहीं होता है ना. 1 by 1 is 1. Del y upon y. So the value of del is -1, and we have calculated del y as -2. So this will become 2. So the solution of this equation is x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2. You can always verify your solution by putting this value in any of the equation. So for verification, if the question is coming, verify your answer also. So verification 2, the value of x we have calculated 1 plus 3 y. Y means we have 2. So left hand side we are calculating 2 into 1 is 2, 3 2 ja 6, it's coming out to 8, and on the right hand side we have 8. So here we can also verify the solution by putting it in any of the equation. If you will put it here, then also you will find that this solution is going to solve to satisfy this equation. So this is 2 cross 2 system, and we have solved it by Cramer's rule. Now let us have an example on 3 coefficients like x, y, z. We have 3 variables and we have 3 cross 3 system. So let's have this. Next we are having this solved by the Cramer's rule. Now if we look at this system, we have 3 equations, x, y and z. We have 3 variables here, 3 variables here, and we have 3 equations here. So find out the solution of this. The method will remain same. Here for x it is del x upon del, for y it is del y upon del, and for z it will be del z upon z. So let us calculate first delta, and then del x, del y and del z. So let's have it. So to calculate del, as we have discussed earlier, For del, it is a coefficient matrix. Coefficient of x is 1, coefficient of y is 2, coefficient of z is 3, and 6, 4, 2 are the constants. So let us have this value in our determinant. Coefficient of x from all the equation. Coefficient of y 2, 1, 1. Coefficient of z 3, 1, 2. So this is our coefficient matrix. So to solve Cramer's rule, you must be having the knowledge of determinant, how to solve determinant. You can see the video how to solve determinant and also come to Cramer's rule. Here we are solving this determinant by expanding to first row. We see this 2 minus 1 minus 2, hiding this, row this column 2 to the 4 and 3 minus 3, and then we have 3 into, we have 3, this column, this 2 minus 3. So that is how we expand this determinant. Now calculating this, 2 minus 1, 1, 1 into 1, 1, minus 4 minus 3 is 1, it's minus 2, 2 minus 3 is minus 1, so it will be minus 3, minus 3, minus 2, minus 5, and this is minus 4. This is del. Now what we have to calculate? Del x, del y, and del z. So let us calculate this. Let us calculate del x. So for del x, the method is simple. If we want to calculate the del x, we will not write down the x coefficient. We will write down instead 6, 4, 2. 6, 4 and 2. And the remaining coefficient of y, 2, 1, 1. And the next column will be 3, 1, 2. 3, 1, 2. Again, we have to calculate this determinant. Again, you can expand by any row or column. So फर्स्ट रो के करस्पॉन्डिंग हम एक्सपैंड कर रहे हैं, तो इट इज़ 2 minus 1 minus 2 into this, hide this, 4 2 8 minus 2 and plus 3, ऐसे किया हमने, हाइड किया 2 minus 1. So calculate this also. 6 into 1, 6 minus 8 minus 2, 6, 6 to ja 12. And 2 minus 1 is 1, 3. So we have 3 here. So 6, 3, 9 हो गया, minus 12. So you have minus 3. Okay. So here is the value of del x. In the same manner, we have to calculate del y and del z. So del y भी क्या करेंगे हम? Del y के लिए what we have to do is we have to substitute this del y for this 642, and for the del z we have to calculate del z, then we have to remove this and put 642. So when you calculate it correctly, we are getting del x, del y and del z here. So here we have our 3 linear equation, 3 cross 3 system we are having, and we have to find the value of x, y, z. Getting the solution is getting the value of variable. So solution, we want to find out x, y and z, and for that we have the formula del x upon del y upon del and del z upon del. So let us calculate first del. So del is what? As we have discussed earlier, del is a coefficient of x, y and z. So we'll find out determinant of this 1, 2 and 3, 2, 1 and 1. And we have 3, 1 and 2. So we have written the coefficient of x, y and z. So let us solve this determinant, 3 cross 3 determinant. We are expanding corresponding to first row. So hiding this and this, 2 minus 1 minus 2 into, hiding this and this, we have 2 to the 4 minus, we have this and this, 2 to the 4 minus 3, and then plus 3 into 2 minus 3. So calculate this, 2 minus 1, 1, 1 into 1, 4 minus 3 is 1, minus 2 we are having, and 2 minus 3 is minus 1. So here we are having minus 3. So minus 3, minus 2, minus 5 plus 1, it is minus 4. So del, the value of del is minus 4. Now let us calculate del x. So del x, we have to calculate del x, and for del x what we have to do? We have to make a determinant. As I have explained, जब x आता है तो x वाले कोएफिशिएंट यहाँ नहीं लिखते हैं. कौन से कोएफिशिएंट लिखेंगे हम? 6, 4 और 2. So here we will write 6, 4 and 2. The rest will be same. The coefficient of y and the coefficient of z. So this is our del x. So for del x, again you can expand it by any row or column. So we are expanding corresponding to first row, 6, hiding this and this, 2 minus 1 minus 2 into hiding this and this. We have 4 to the 8 minus 2 and 3 into hiding this and this. We have 4 minus 2. So simplify this. This is 6. 2 minus 1 is 1. Simply 8 minus 2 is 6. 6 minus 6 into 2 will be minus 12. And we have 4 minus 2 is plus 2. 2 3s are 6. Okay. So 6, 6, 12. It is coming to 0. So this determinant may be 0. The condition that we have discussed, that del should not be equal to 0. So del x may be 0 or may not be 0. This is del x. Next, we have to calculate del y and del z. So in the similar manner, when we calculate del y and del z, calculate del y. So for del y, again what we have to do, we have to write down coefficient of x and z and not of y. Instead of y coefficient, what we are going to write is this one. 6, 4 and 2 will be placed here, and the z coefficient will remain same. 3, 1 and 2. So calculate this del y. Again you can expand it by first row. 1 here, 4 to the 8 minus 2 minus 6 we are having. When you expand this, 6, hide this and this, 2 to the here 2 to the 4 and minus 3 and plus 3 into hide this and this, you have 2 to the 4 minus 3 4s are 12. So let us calculate this also. 8 minus 2, 6 minus 6, 4 minus 3 is 1 plus 4 minus 12 is minus 8. 8 3s are माइनस में आएंगे आपके पास, तो ये हो जाएगा 24. So 6 minus 6 means you are getting minus 24. This is the value of y. In the same manner, we are going to calculate delta z. So here I am calculating delta z. So the remaining, what will we not write? The coefficient matrix से z वाले नहीं लिखेंगे. क्या लिखेंगे? x के लिखेंगे, y के लिखेंगे. याद कैसे रखना है? जिसकी वैल्यू निकालनी है वही नहीं रखना है, उसकी जगह पे हमको कोफिशिएंट्स रखने हैं 6, 4 और 2. इंस्टेड ऑफ द कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ z वी आर पुटिंग दिस कांस्टेंट 6, 4 and 2. So let us calculate this also. Again 1, 2 minus 4 minus 2. Here we are having 2 2s are 4, 3 4s are 12 and minus plus 6. Here we have 6, 2 minus 3, 2 minus 3. So calculating this, what we are having, 2 minus 4 is minus 2, 4 minus 12 is minus 8, 8 into 2, 16, 2 minus 3 is minus 1, it is minus 6. So here calculating this, 10, 8. So here are the values of del z, del y, and we have calculated del x and del. So now the solution. How to write down the solution? X is equal to del x upon del. We have calculated in the previous slide, we have seen del x was 0. So 0 upon minus 4 is equal to 0. del y is equal to del y upon del minus 24 minus 4 is equal to 6, and z we have calculated as 8 upon minus 4 is equal to minus 2. So here are the values of x, y and z. So this is, we have solved Cramer's rule for 2 cross 2 matrix and 3 cross 3 matrix. Here is happy learning from Medicaps University. I am signing off. Keep learning. Thank you very much.